To build and run our apps, we'll need the Android SDK. We can manage which aspects of the SDK are installed locally by going to Tools, SDK Manager. Here, we'll see the location on our machines where the SDK components are stored, as well as a listing of all available tools and packages. In the first tab, we find the available SDK platforms. The ones that are checked with the status of installed are the ones that we have downloaded on our machine. The first column contains the user-facing name of the Android OS version, and the second is the API number, which is what we use most often as developers. You'll only want to install the SDK platforms that you intend on using for development or running on a virtual device. For example, if I need to test my app on a device running Android 6.0 Marshmallow, then I'd click on the checkbox right next to its name. A download icon would appear, letting me know that this package will be downloaded. Then I'd click on Apply to download. I'm not going to do that now. The second tab that we care about is the SDK Tools tab. Here, we want to make sure that we have the following items installed: Android SDK Build Tools, the Android Emulator, the Android SDK Platform Tools, and the Emulator Accelerator. When you come to this tab, you may see a notice in the status column that an update is available. It's almost always a good idea to download the updates. And once again, you can do that by clicking on the checkbox and choosing Apply. Being able to work with the SDK Manager will allow you to support multiple versions of Android devices, as well as successfully build and test your Android applications.